Good morning everyone. Mamta Nehra welcome you in GK class. Today we will learn about our feathery friends yani birds which have feathers. So students, get ready to learn bird's name. This is crane bird. This is crane. This is peacock bird. Do you know students which is the national bird of our country? Peacock is the national bird of our country. This is eagle bird. This is eagle. This is pigeon bird. This is pigeon. This is hen bird. This is hen. This is parrot. This is parrot. And this is sparrow bird. This is sparrow. This is swan. This is swan. Swan lives in water also. And this is kingfisher bird. This is kingfisher bird. And this is manna bird. This is manna. And this is duck. Duck lives in water. Thank you students for watching the video.